Okay, YouTube, it's Picker Steve. My first two opening takes were terrible, so I'm just going to jump right into it. This is what we're doing today. 212cc Predator, chipper shredder, all the things. Let's just go after it. Done. Nope, not that one. Yeah, the serrated one, that's what I'm going with. Miss. I got another. What? There's a wooden crate in here. I'm gonna have to get my hammer out. Tied on? No. That's tied on. That looks good. What else we got in here? Alright, I think we put the Leatherman away. Got some kind of handle. Just gonna throw that on the trailer. Destructions. Ooh, looks like we get some needles. Oh yeah, I remember watching somebody else's video. The needles for the carburetors are for higher elevations. Alright, I'm gonna put that away for a second. Catcher bag, yeah, definitely never using that. Try and make that into a ghost costume for Halloween. Some loose cardboard. Trash. Got more wheels. That's cool. Anything else loose in here? Alright, bell and hopper. We're gonna chew that up. Alright, gonna come back with a hammer. Take this wooden crate apart. Yeah, just pick this up at the Insider deal at Harbor Freight. Maybe I'll use that. Ah, yeah, that totally works. This side. Yeah, it's just little staples. I think I'm gonna. What else? Probably take the box down with the Leatherman. Let's see what we got here. Oh. Oops, sorry, camera. Get that out of the way here. Closer look. Hey, thanks for the wood from China. Going in the fire pit. Another wheel. What's we got here? That's out of the way. Don't fall on the vehicle. Parts and pieces. Lock, cardboard. Another handle. Looks like minimal work to put this together. Okay. Pick up this mess. Look at all this trash. Okay, guys, it's all put together. I don't really need to show you that, but it's real simple. It's like 4 bolts that go under there. Some nylon washers and dampening washers, like these big, thick black rubber mounts. Like, you see them right there? Yep. Alright, did fill it up with gas. I don't see any leaks. Did fill it up with oil because it comes shipped without oil. And what's the other thing I had to put together? Oh yeah, these guys. So that's for the handle, and the nuts are on the inside there. I know they're nylon washer or nuts there, and they're not supposed to vibe off, but I may go back and put some thread locker on those because that would suck to have the bolt just drop down there in the chute and wreck your blades. So something to think about. Maybe check these two. And if you get a clog, you gotta manually take that out with like wrenches. So these guys were 10 millimeter. Underneath was 13 millimeter wrench and socket on both of those. So I'll put you back on the stand. I'll fire it up, see how it goes. Okay, YouTube, I'm at the other property. Got a little bit of brush laid up. Got this thing off, unloaded off the trailer. I'm gonna do some testing here. Got a little ramp bridge going over the swale, but this is a mess up in here, and I've sprayed myself down with permethrin. Haven't seen any ticks yet, but let's try it out.
Say that they won't when they will. I could use some motivation, but I know how I feel. Faster than you like, it's over and that's the end. It's over and that's the end. It's over and that's the end. Oh, I want to find my way to you. Yeah, baby. Oh, I want to find my way to you. Gotta find my way to baby. I don't need a reason to say what.
Well, I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed. I only jammed it once. I was on, testing it out on like a 3-inch log. It will die, but it a ton of material, and that can go in the garden, around the garden beds, keep the weeds down, whatever. And it's less of a fire hazard, hopefully. It's out of the forest and be going into the garden. So, sweet. Thanks for checking it out. I would definitely do this instead of renting one and running it back to the hardware store or wherever at the rental place every other weekend. Just doesn't take up a lot of space. Put it in the corner of your garage or whatever. I think it's a good buy. So I waited for the sale. Like I said, I got it for $4.50. I'd do it again. Thanks, guys. Okay, a little bonus footage after hours, I guess. So that gives you, I don't know what I think I was on this for like 2 hours. One huge dump cart worth of chips. Yeah, a couple leaves in there, whatever. That's good stuff. That's gonna break down.